Hello, this is an additional video to Project 1 in Math 96. You need to watch the first video. We'll have a lot more details than this one. This video is just to show you some of the differences between the old version of Excel and the new version of Excel. So right here I have the same data set, age of a boy named Sue in months and the lengths. And I do have a newer Excel version. So to make a graph, what I'm going to do is highlight my data set and go to Insert. And right here under Charts, you will see a scatter plot chart. Click on that. Choose the one that only shows the dots. Here's the one. And here we have our graph. If you want to change the layout of the graph and adjust the axis and do all these things, right now when the chart is activated, you can go to Chart Tools, Design, and right here you will find Quick Layouts. You can click on that and you will find lots of different layouts available, and some of those layouts already have the titles and the axis titles. All you have to do is click on them to change them. Remove the old one and insert the new one, or type in the new one. And the same you do on the y-axis. And the same you can do on the title. You're welcome to play around with other things that the first video gave you or showed you. Change your axis to make it to zoom in on the graph a little bit. You can change the colors and the grids and all of that. In this video I'm just showing you how to use basics of the Excel. Then you can right click on the data points and choose Add Trend Line. It shows up right here in the window on the side, and you have lots of different options here. Of course, we're looking at the linear model at this point, so a linear model would be selected because it's the simplest one. And then on the bottom of the screen, check Display Equation on the chart and Display R Squared on the chart, because you want to see the equation in the R Squared value. Another option that later would be very useful, you have an option to make your graph longer. So there's a forecast, forward, backward. You can actually change the zeros on forecast to a different unit, and it will make your graph longer. It will extend it forward and back. So forward, backward. Once you're done with this window, you can close it, and you can grab your equation and move it somewhere where it's a little more visible. You can make it a little bit bigger by going to Home screen and pressing the capital A, increase the font, make it bold. You could click on all of these titles and make them stand out, make them bold. But these are your basics in graphing, and if you want to experiment with other things that the first video offers, it would be done in a similar way. Thank you.